How to hide online status on your Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on Telegram even when you are online. So to do that, first of all, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, all you have to do is simply tap on the settings option which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option privacy and security. Now once you've done that, you can see the option under privacy named last seen and online. So simply tap on it. And now as you can see, it is currently set to everybody, meaning everybody will be able to see my activity status and that they will see when I'm online and when I'm offline. So if you want to hide that, all you have to do is simply tap on the option nobody, and once you've done that, nobody will be able to see when you are online and when you are offline. So that way you will appear offline even when you are online on other people's account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.